What if every journey you took didn't just create memories, but also helped heal the world? Imagine your holiday leaving a place better than you found it. This is the new reality of travel in 2025. We're moving beyond simply seeing the world. We're engaging with it, protecting it, and ensuring its wonders last. For too long, tourism has been a double-edged sword, bringing both joy and unintended harm. Mass tourism strains local resources, damages fragile ecosystems, and can dilute authentic cultures. But now a quiet revolution is underway. More travelers are waking up to their impact and choosing a different path. This is the era of conscious travel, prioritizing connection over consumption. Our presence has a ripple effect, and we can choose to make it positive. Travel, done right, can foster understanding, support communities, and fund conservation. By traveling consciously, you become a partner and guardian of the places you visit. Your adventure becomes a statement of hope and a real contribution to a better world. Let's explore how you can be part of this movement. Your spending choices matter. When you eat at a family-run restaurant or buy from local artisans, you help preserve traditions and support families. Mindful spending empowers communities, giving them a stake in protecting their heritage. Choose locally owned businesses, stay in independent guest houses, and hire local guides. Watch out for greenwashing. Look for real certifications like B Corp or Fair Trade Tourism. Avoid exploitative tours. Seek community-based experiences where locals share their culture on their terms. Don't haggle aggressively. A small amount to you can mean a lot to a vendor. Be a respectful guest, not just a consumer. Your choices can help build stronger, more resilient communities. Our responsibility extends to the earth itself. As travelers, we must leave the smallest footprint possible. Reduce waste, say no to single-use plastics, and carry reusables. Conserve water and electricity, especially where resources are scarce. Treat your accommodation as you would your own home. Enjoy nature respectfully. Stick to trails, don't feed wildlife, and choose ethical tour operators. Never buy souvenirs made from endangered species or fragile ecosystems. Support conservation by paying park fees or donating to local charities. Every small action, multiplied by millions, makes a real difference. Your adventure should help protect the wildlife and landscapes you came to see. Responsible travel is about leaving places better than you found them. Sustainable travel is about human connection. Approach every interaction with humility and respect. Learn a few words of the local language. It opens doors and shows you value the culture. Observe local customs, dress appropriately, and always ask before taking photos. Use resources like Responsible Travel or GSTC to find ethical experiences. Pack sustainably, bring a water purifier, solar charger, and reef-safe sunscreen. Every choice you make sends a message. You demand responsible tourism, you inspire others, and become part of a global movement for good. As you plan your next adventure, pledge to explore with an open heart and leave a positive mark. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more travel guides, hidden gems, and tips to make your next adventure unforgettable.